So y'all, as y'all can see, I got some boxes from TEMU. I don't know why my boxes always tacky when they come here. They always messed up, open. I'm like, who be going through my stuff? Oh my god, look at that! This is so cute.
Rad, but he spank me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie dream house. The way.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Nyc Made, y'all, and I am back with another video. Okay, so y'all, as y'all can see, I got some boxes from TEMU, and it's $2 boxes. 1, 2. I bought a bunch of different stuff, so this is not like a specific type of thing. I bought a bunch of stuff for us, through my house, for my dog, and for me, and also for some other people, because I'm going to be doing some decorate my car with me videos soon. I'm going to do 2 new ones, so stay tuned for those videos. Okay, so let's open the first package. Let's put the other one down. There's going to be a lot of stuff in here, y'all. And plus I got to check off on my list to make sure everything came. Let's see my cup.
He had to get out the box and he had to get out the thing and bring this. With a bad attitude.
I knocked that mailman on his face. Came from Zazzle. Oh, I just got a package. First things first, these are my, what did they call? These are my Change Your Mindset with God journals. Ooh, I want to see what they look like. Sorry, give me a second. Because I wanted to do physical copies for the journal. Oreo, look at you, stuck. Come on. Come on. Come on. Jump. Good boy. Because he had to be in the video, y'all. He got to be in it for some reason. And so I just dressed him up and I'm like, okay. You're gonna look just like the boxes today. I want to see what they look like, y'all. Oh my gosh, they better be pretty. They better be pretty. Oh my god, look at them. Look, let me see, let me show them. Look, they came in so pretty. You want to see it or you want me to see it first? Here, you look at that one, I look at this one. Oh my gosh. And it comes in with the little blank pages or whatever, but this is just like the physical copy for the daily planner. So it also comes with the template and this journal, and they both cost, and altogether they're $40. This is the free journal that comes with it. And oh my god, I have to get one of these to my customers, so I ordered one for a sample and one for my customers just in case it came out real cute, and it did. It looks so cute. I can't. My mental health business is coming together, y'all. I'm so proud of myself. Like, oh my god, just look, admire right quick, because my graphic designer killed this logo, but it came out so clear, like it's so, bro. So like I said, the planner comes with this journal, physical copy only, and it comes with the template. You get the template and you get this. You can use it for 7, 14, 30 days. Either way you want to do it. Also, you get the ebook, physical copy. It comes in a little booklet. But I also have digital copies for this too. So yeah, I think y'all should jump on digital products, not gonna lie. But also jump on this, because this stuff has really helped me. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I do have severe depression, and I do like... I watched ATL, my favorite movie. I had to. Again, I'm watching it again. Sorry. You won't cry when you're stealing. Get in the trunk. It's crazy. Look at that face. But stop looking at the cover. Stop it. Oh yeah, and I have a lot of anxiety, like social anxiety and stuff like that. So this has really helped me with my self-care, be consistent with my YouTube, and also like it has really helped me like get through a lot of things, and I be struggling, I be going through a lot. And journaling has really helped me So that's why this is coming with it. And, you know, it has really gotten me through a lot of stuff in the past couple months. I'm not gonna lie. Because I do struggle like everybody else, you know? And I started my mental health brand just for that. So I can help other people who be feeling like me. And be vulnerable. Because being vulnerable and telling your story can really help other people want to tell theirs too and share. Oreo. Oh my gosh. Well, what you do? Why you can't just lay right there? You lay right there, mommy, please. But yeah, we'll get y'all a copy. And it's time to open the box. So Oreo, let's see what we got. Come on. He's my therapy dog, y'all. He like to help. He like to help. So I let him help. Because I can't do nothing without him. My mother was like, who do you serve? You are. Y'all, he be so happy when I be coming home. He be so sad when I be leaving. I be feeling bad because he be like, I can't take you. Like, I get so sad. I can't take you, boo. Mommy wish she could take you with her everywhere, but she can't sometimes. So, let's open it up. And let's see what the first thing is. Got this box. Ooh, and it comes with the clock artwork. I'm so sorry, Earl. I'm gonna put this right here. You behind the box. you behind the box, boo. And it comes with this clock, y'all, that I ordered. This is so cute. Ooh, this is so nice. And it's like I love this kind of blue. Like, it's so pretty. Like, it's like a midnight blue. Well, also my favorite color blue with light blue. So, like, it's really pretty. So we're gonna put that up because I don't want to mess it up. I want to put that like behind me when I make my videos. So yeah, I'll put that to the side. This back. Okay, so take this out. So these are the rugs that I got for tonight's cardinal decorating. So like these purple, they're purple rugs. Let me take it out the bag. I don't want to mess it up, so because I gotta have my stuff here so I can go decorate their car. So it looks like this. I'm trying to get the light. So it's just this little purple rug. It's supposed to be 4 of these, so let me see, because it better be 4 in here. I ordered 4. I also got this blanket, y'all. Oh my god, it's like this gamer blanket comforter. I got a blanket and the comforter, so. Oh, it comes like this little pillowcase. I'm gonna redecorate my whole bed, cause what you call it, bit my bed covers up. Cause you know he get mad cause I leave. But anyway, it looked like this, y'all. It looks like this. It's very cute though. It's very cute. The bed comforter looks like that too. So this is what it came with. It's the same design. So anyway, let's move on. Put that to the side. Oh, you look, your doggy house. Your little doggy house. We're gonna set this up. Let me see that. Gotta set it up. So y'all, here's his little doggy house. His little doggy house. Oreo, come here. Your doggy house. Look, go ahead, go in there. Go in there. Go ahead. Look. 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 Go in there. Would you stop acting like that? I popped the nail. Can't find it. I'm trying to put this up. And I put the other stuff behind it. I took the box down. Oreo, go in there. You making me break my nails. I just broke another one, bro. Like, come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. I'm trying to put you in your doggy house. I'm trying to put you in your doggy house. Messing up my thing. Go in your door here. Roach. He don't want to go in there right now, y'all. But it's okay. I'm gonna just put this over here. So I bought him an outfit. It says, I love my mommy. So let's open this. We're gonna try this on. Please don't mind my nails. Oh, I hope this fits you. It's a medium. And it doesn't even stretch. I'm gonna take this off. Stop trying to bite it so I can take it off. Stop. Oreo. Stop trying to bite it. No, because put it on. Get it out your mouth. This shit is too fucking small. I'm trying to see if it's gonna fit. How it's gonna fit. Oreo. Look at you, you stuck. You freaking stuck. You stuck. Let me, come here, come here. Damn. Cause you got big. Oh my god. Or you might you got me. Look, 3 nails. I just want these nails. Oh, just my eye things is falling off. All trying to get you into this hoodie. Look, it probably don't even fit. It don't even look like it fit. See, y'all supposed to say I love my mommy. He not cooperating with me right now. You're not cooperating with mommy. You're giving mommy a hard time. It's too small. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I bought a medium, and you're a large now. You went from a small to large. How does that work? Look at you, out of breath. Anyway, let's move on to something else. Okay, so the purple thing that I was going for, the person's purple car. This is going to be the arm. This is going to be the armrest. Let's go somewhere. I think it's go. This goes somewhere. I gotta look at the picture again. So it comes with this. This is the cup holders that it come with. I got this little circle thing. Be decorated for something too. I think it's going around the key engine thing. Yeah, I think that's what it's for. And then I got these flower things to go on like the AC unit. There's like these little purple flowers and whatnot, and they go in the AC unit to decorate that. And then this goes on the like what is this? And then it comes with these. I gotta figure out what this stuff is because this not looking like what it looked like in the picture. I gotta look at it again because they were. Don't piss me off. Don't piss me off. Don't send me nothing that I ain't order. This better be what it is. I'm not playing. I'm gonna look at the pictures again. But yeah. And then this is the little thing that goes on the arm thing. You put your armrest thing that you sit your arm on or whatever. It's a little fur purple thing. This box right here. Oh, these are my glasses, y'all. The glasses that I ordered. So I'm gonna try these on. They might not look right with my outfit, but I'm just gonna try them on and show you guys what they look like. They're cute. And then I'm gonna try the other ones on. Cause I needed a pair or two. Cause I was like, I like to look like a little nerd when I go to school for some reason. Sophisticated, you know, a little look they give you the. But they cute. I mean, they're cute, right? I bought a car thing. I don't know why my boxes always tacky when they come here. They always messed up, open. I'm like, who be going through my stuff? I bought this car thing so that I can record my videos in the car the right way. Because the thing that I got is irritating. So how you open this? Press silver button before use. What silver button? Oh. These things do it. Get this out of your mouth. Ugh, I hate when I get something I can't figure it out. I'll figure it out in the car. But yeah, I just bought it, so it looks like this. I figured out how to open it. And I bought this. So it goes together. It's supposed to look like this on the box. It's supposed to look like this. So I figured out. So yeah. So here I got floor mats for my mother's car that I'm decorating. It's gonna be red and black. And that's what car theme is. Sorry, Oreo. She has a Land Rover, and it's like video themed right now. But we're gonna do a transformation. So I'm gonna just show y'all the road right quick. So it's just these little red rugs, red and black, red and black. That's it. And they got the bigger ones that go on the front and the back. So yeah, I'm trying to do more videos a week. So I changed my days to Mondays, Tuesdays, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays to upload my stuff. We're gonna do this. So here's the steering wheel that goes with the red and black thing, and it's like horrible. Oh my god. Oh. Y'all look at this. Look at it. It's just so pretty. I love decorating cars. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I just discovered that car interior is my fave. Like, yeah. I'm gonna put this back in here though. It's a little messed up, but yeah. So then I went and bought another shower theme for the bathroom. Let me open this. So it's like this little Paris theme because one day I'm gonna live in Paris. That's just that. So it's this little thing with the diamonds. It says Paris at the bottom. You know, match my nails. Not my nails, you know. And my mother was like, when you get your house in London or whatever, I just want a bathroom and a room, and I'll babysit your dogs or whatever. Just give me that, okay? So I'm gonna put this in the bathroom later. But this is so pretty. This is cute. Nice little thing. It comes with the floor mat thing that goes in front of the toilet. The rug you step on when you get out of the shower. And then the shower theme and thing that covers the toilet. So that's all we have for this box.